Oh man, let's see if I can. There we go. Pop that baby off. All right, how's everybody doing out there? Welcome one, welcome all. How are we doing? Another exciting day of trading. So we had the warning up here that we put up here. Oh, let's start the show off. One quick thing. Listen, everybody, this show is completely free. I do it. I run my charts for you free. Now, let me tell you, usually I don't have this informative of charts up. These are really what I have in the members area. This is exactly what the members see over in the members area. They get to see all of these charts. I'm doing this, and I do this for everybody because when we get to this dangerous of a place, right? And I've got some brand new charts I'm going to share with y'all today. When we get to this dangerous of a place, where I think we have some sort of a parabolic move or some kind of a radical move that is close, right? And I think we are close here, right? I think we're close to either just snapping out of this or snapping under this. But I think we're very close. I want to make sure everybody's safe. So you guys are actually looking at what the members get to see in the live members chat stream. So this is what they see. All right. So, that being said, right, this is the thing. This is completely free. All I ask for you guys to do is go over here, share this on Facebook, share this on Twitter. Listen, every single person that we save is going to be there to help us add liquidity to the market when we find the bottom. We need to help everybody. I need you guys to reach out. I can't do it myself. I need all of your help. You guys didn't get out there. You guys got lots of friends in crypto. Just help me help them to save them into this market. This is probably, I would have to say, I'm the only live stream that has all of my personal targets on it. Right? I am the only live stream that's 24/7, and I'm the only live stream that's this freaking accurate, okay? I mean, there's hands down, there's no one even close out there, right? No one even close, and this is all free. And why do I do this for free, right? I mean, the members don't have to watch the videos because they have all my charts. All they have to do is just scroll up and down. They don't have to take the time to watch the videos, right? But I do this for you guys because I want to save as many of us as possible from getting milked and just beaten over the head like baby seals by the whales, okay? So all I ever ask is help me. Go on to Twitter. Give me a FF, right? It's so simple. You go up here, you type in pound FF, and then you type in chart hold on a second. Chart vampire is my hero, right? Just very simple. That's all you got to say. Chart Vamper is my hero, right? Right? Must follow him, right? For relationship advice, right? It's a must, right? I mean, if you guys need to know about, super important things like how to pick up girls in a trailer park, the 3 rings of marriage, right? The wedding ring, the engagement ring, and suffering. Listen, I'm the man for you. So at least go out there. I'm good for a couple other things besides crypto. So just go out there, give me a little bit of love. Just throw that FF out there, right? I am definitely the one to follow, okay? That would help me so much, right? And I don't even know how many people we have watching the show right now. 200 lovely people watching the show at this very moment. Right? 200 very lucky people who are going to get to see some brand new charts today, right? Brand new. Adam says he can't afford a trailer girl and it's a bear market, Listen, drive through, Adam. That's my secret. Drive through. You don't have to take him inside. Just drive through, brother. All right, so let's get moving on with the show here and see what we've got going on, all right? So I'm going to bring up a couple of my charts that I did today. These have really just been done in the members area, okay? So I did pretty much, these have all been just charts I've done inside the members area. I'm going to start, I don't know how that happened. That was crazy, right? Push that back over there. That was really weird how that happened. What the hell? I'm going to pull that off. I'm going to bring this over. All right, there we go. So this is one of the first charts I want to start with here, okay? So historically speaking, historically speaking, the last times we have had MACD roll up on us, and this is very important. Martin brought this to my attention. Thank you very much, Martin. This is the daily MACD chart. Our histogram ticked bullish. We ticked bullish on our histogram. We started to roll on our histogram. So the first thing I did, I went back and I decided, hey, let's go back and find the last few times we have actually ticked bullish on the histogram and what has happened. Okay, so I went back and I did a little research, right? You can see the rising, these created rising wedges or bearish flags. Boom, 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 boom. Every one of these, look at that, went into a rising wedge there. Big, steep, fat rising wedge, another rising wedge. Went into a flag. This is a little bit more of a bear flag right here. There's the flagpole down, the flagpole from the top, flagpole from the bottom, right? This was definitely a flag. This is a rising wedge, and this is a rising wedge. And we were creating a flag here. So we kind of had a flag that's going up. Right now, a flag is a little disconcerting here, but let me be listen, this is not over. Just because we broke out at the bottom of this doesn't mean that we have not had a chance to retrace all the way back up. So I want to show you this. So the very first time we fell out, now remember, we had a lot more volatility in the market. We had way more money in the market. This is when, I mean, oh my God, I mean, how many more people were trading crypto back here with how much more money? I bet if we looked at the 200 people that were online right now, you guys probably had an average of 20% more capital back here in April and May and March than you do today. And I would say 20% is probably on the low side. I'd probably say you probably lost a lot. A lot of people have lost a lot of money since these months, these early months of 2018, right? The second time, we only made it up to the 5-0. So look, a trend of weakness. Got up to the 618, fell out. Got up to the 5-0, fell out. Got up, couldn't even get it up to the 5-0, just into the 382 right there, right? I'll zoom in a little bit on this, right? So everybody can see, right? There it is, the 618, and all I did was take it from the nearest top where it fell, boom to 618, right? Then top here, there, right under the 5-0. Then we fell again, another time. Now, this is every time the MACD is rolled. Now here, we couldn't even get it up, right? Right here, not so good, right? Got up to the 382, a lot more weakness, and then we did find this bottom. This is where we had that beautiful short squeeze, right? I know if you guys all remember back. Or was the short squeeze here? The short squeeze was here. This was the 700 million tether that was pumped in. Wink, wink, wink from the tether fairies. Remember that? Yes, that's right. Yeah, Adam. Yeah, Adam. He couldn't afford him in April. He definitely can't afford him now. All right. So now let's see what happened here. Now we couldn't even get our closing wicks up to the 382. All right. Now we've rolled bullish here. Now I have a couple concerns with this right now. Okay. We are in a completely different place, and I'm going to give you a little more bullish scenario here, okay? We are in a completely different place from here and here and here with our higher time frame indicators, and I'm talking like RSI, Stoke, even the MACD. Like a lot of these weekly and monthly indicators are just absolutely so deep. Like deep, like ugly deep, right? And I just want everybody to understand that, you know, with that being said, we are, you know, continuing to have a fallout straight down here. It's possible, 100% it's possible to just take an absolute nosedive from here. There's no reason we can't take a nosedive from here, right? What I don't like is that I don't like the fact that the indicators are so insanely oversold. And look, there's my arrow right there. Look at that, right on the vamp fib, right? Look at that. How pretty is this? Look, if you don't know the vamp fib, you need to get to know the vamp fib, because the vamp fib is very, very important for all you, okay? Yes, this is the vamp fib. Look, we fell on the vamp fib, and there's no reason we can't adjust this. You know, there's no reason I can't start moving this around. One issue I have is I'm afraid that we're going to just kind of dip down and we're going to start range trading right here. And this is what I don't want to do. I don't want to get into this range trading area where we're just going to kind of, all right, down and then up and then down and then up. We don't want to do this kind of thing. This is bad. This is the longer path to capitulation, right? This is definitely the longer path to capitulation here that we don't want to take, right? We want to do a very simple, right? And that brings up another chart, right? So I'm going to bring over another chart that I have. Okay. So this is another one of the charts I did in the members area. This basically shows the stages that we're in right now, okay? These are the 3 stages that we're in right at this time. You have stage 1, you have the death cross, right? Are we in stage 1? Are we going to retrace back here higher, right? This is this is tough for me because this wick, this candle, and this candle look just like this candle and this candle. Right, which leads me to say, well, we never had this week, right? We never had this week where we bounced all the way up to the 382 and a little bit beyond. I'll slide this out of the way a little bit right there. See that? There it is, a little bit beyond the 382. Okay, never ever ever touched the 7-day moving average though. Right? And I know people are calling for this, 57, 50, whatever, 100. I, again, do not believe that we will touch the 7-day moving average. And that 7-day moving average on the weekly is parked at 5200, 5228. Okay? I feel that we will not make it to 5228. Oh, come on. Where's that? Oh, yeah. Come on. Why didn't it do that? That was weird. All right. Come on over here. Right. So I feel we will not make it to 5228. Right. This is my this is my break point. Right. Oh, point. This is my break point. Right. The 7MA on the weekly. Which is at, what did I just say? I just said it's at, right, 52.52. Pretty fancy there, right? At 52.52 right now, right? I do not feel we will touch this, right? And I am not committed. I am not 100% certain that we are going to fall out completely down and die right here. If we fall right here, right, and I showed you that on the other chart. Let me save this for the members. Oh, hold on. Damn it. You get up there. I want to make a nice little pretty arrow right here. Boink. Right, now I want to save this baby. Okay. All right, so I do not feel that we will actually touch this 7MA, right? Now, once again, if you go back to the last chart I was just showing you, you guys get the ranging issue that we have right now, right? So let's go and talk about a ranging issue. Here shows a better chart, right? This hit, blang, blah, blah, and then blah. Right? This is what's going to happen if we drop out right now. We're just going to drop, wick, drop. Like we're just going to range trade in here until we finally fall out and catch this low line right here. Okay? And if you guys watch, I created a whole video, right? So this would be the range trading if. Right? So if you guys watched yesterday, I made a video, and that video is all about exactly what happens, right? Let me go find it. Let me go find it. Hold on. Hold on. And where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I'm almost there. Okay, here we go. So Sorry. So this is the video I created. This is my personal play to find baby Jesus, baby bull Jesus. And there he is. Isn't he so cute? He's right there. He's little baby bull Jesus. He's so cute. Only difference is we should have like a bunch of strippers standing around him. Because, I mean, if you guys did, find baby bull Jesus, that's what you want. I don't think anybody here would want a sheep or a goat or a duck or a donkey. But, it's a start. We're trying to keep this family-friendly show, right? Not with like a bunch of skanks and dancers and stuff like that. So, with that being said, this is like the worst scenario, to drop out here and kind of blip around for a couple weeks and 3K. Yeah, no, maybe. It's going to be harder. This is going to be range trading to capitulation right here, okay? Now, the best scenario, right, the better scenario that I think would work a lot, because we're looking for stage 3, right? That's all we care about is stage 3. How do we find stage 3, right? Are we in stage 1 here, or are we in stage 2 now? I'm kind of, I don't know. I mean, we're so close to this bottom line right here. We are so close to baby bull Jesus line, right? This is the baby bull Jesus line. It's right here. If you guys want to know where baby bull Jesus lives, this is his address. You guys, you should all send a card to Santa Claus, because Santa will definitely, this is, you say, "Dear Santa, please help us find baby bull Jesus in December. Thank you." Because having this thing drawn out forever is going to super suck, right? Now, the better scenario that we have right now, right? The better scenario that we have right now is maybe to drop a little bit here and then snap wick up into this, which would reset a lot of our indicators, just like we did back here, right? We had this far snap back up, and then we drop back down. Now, take a look at stage 2 from the top. So if you look at stage 2 from the top, if we were in stage 2, we still haven't hit the 382, right? So you got your top here, you got your bottom here. We still have not hit 382, okay? Now, we didn't hit it back here. This is only a 236 retracement, and we haven't hit it here, which we barely made it almost back up to 382, but not quite. So from there to there, we're not really cutting the mustard. We haven't retraced back to this 382 area. Like I said, I would like one more dip down, snap wick up, and then a drop down. This would be better. The problem is, this would be nicer because we could load up a bunch of really nice shorts up into here, make some good money going up, load up a bunch of fat shorts, and then fat short this baby all the way down with a bunch of automatic buys triggered down here, down below. It all goes over everything in the video that I posted, right, which is in the members area. So this is my scenarios that I'm looking at. You've got the straight capitulation up and down to capitulation scenario, which is kind of what we want. And or you got scenario B, which is we're going to dinker around and then capitulate. This is all right here. This video tells you every single thing you need to know, right? That's it. So yeah, a 10-day slog is going to be horrible. Let's see what Oni sent us, a nice little chart. Oni's chart says, up a little bit and then down a little bit. Yeah, trading in a range. So that's the last thing we want to do. We don't want to get into this range trading right here. It's going to be a super bummer. We're all going to be pissed off, and then it's going to capitulate on us at the last minute, and then I have to sit here and listen to 10 whole days, 10 long suffering days of Twitter tell me how this is the bottom and we're finally going up. And I don't know if I can handle 10 more days of people changing their mind back and forth and back and forth. Oh, it just drives me so batty. Like, listen, I love Eric Cho, but I watched his tweets today. I mean, he went long and then it dumped. He went short, and then it went long, and then he went long, and it dumped on him. I was like, dude, how can you be wrong 3 times in a row? You got to the guy's just having a total bad day today, right? He's having a horrible day, right? He definitely needs to just take a break. Eric needs to step back and either stop tweeting or he just needs to slow down and dude. And my advice to Eric is just stay out, dude. Just be calm, everyone. Stay the F out, okay? So we're going to get this back over here, right? We're going to pull this. Oh, hold on. I'm not done. And I have this side over here. All right, so this is one of the things I was watching, and I put this up in the members area, and I flashed it to you guys a little bit, right? So here's what I showed you guys, okay? I had this up, and I put this up for the people who are watching the show, right? I said PA, price action going up, and volume is going down. We have dropped to the same low volume profile as before of the last dump. Where are the buyers, right? And I said, look at these arrows. Look at the arrows pointing straight down. See this? Look at this volume candle. Look at the volume candle. And I said last time we had this right here, this dumped. And once again, vamp, home fucking run. Thank you. Bink, nailed that puppy out of the park. Who's your daddy? Right? All that great stuff. I mean, you know what I'm saying. Anyways, hold on. I had one more thing I wanted to show you guys. Wait. Where's it at? I have one more really good thing. Hold on. Where's that other chart at? Nope, that's not it. Nope. Where is? Hold on. I got one more chart I want to show. Oh, wait. It's over here. Sorry. Okay. So one last thing I wanted to show everybody on this chart. Okay. And let's get this down here. Let's get this all squished in here. Okay. So this is something I want you all to take a look at too. Now, as I was talking about the bearish volume on the other side of the chart over here, right? This is where I was talking about the bearish volume over here. This is my longer term bearish volume chart. So look at this. You have the same bearish daily volume trend with a bullish cross on the MACD. So you get this bullish cross on the MACD, right? Bullish cross, bullish cross, bullish cross. But look at the trend. The trend is bearish on the volume, right? Bearish trend is bearish on the volume, bearish on the volume, bearish on the volume, and every one of these times this thing's fell out, right? Now even look at this here. Look at the MACD is going up. Look at this. Let me zoom in right here. This just shows you how indicators going up is not going up, right? Okay, so take a look right in here. The indicators going up, 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 right? And got all the way up here. Well, the price had already fallen out here, right? The price had actually started to fall out here. So the price had actually started to dump here, but the MACD never dumped. Then you got a little bit more of a climb on your MACD, and then, but it was a lower low. So you had a higher high in your MACD, you had a lower low in your price action, and then it finally capitulated to this kind of like flag pattern, right? Actually, they're both kind of flaggish. This is more of a rising wedge, but you can always go like this, and then it becomes a flag. Down, down, perfect to target, flag, flag, down, flagpole, down, right? So this is kind of brutal. Now, I would have played this more like this probably, right there, because that was a beautiful rising wedge. I'm sure I did. I was trading back here, made a ton of money. I remember on that fall. Just go back to my Twitter. You can see it all. And then this would have been a gorgeous fall. It would have had to have some balls of steel to hold on to this thing. But I'm sure, I think back here I was in the short from all the way up top. And I know that's what it was. I shorted like a gazillion ETH up here. Go back and look at this same date and look at ETH's price action. I shorted ETH way up here and just made a freaking killing. So like there you go. Look at what we're doing today. Right? Let's go see what we're doing today. Look, there we are, right? We're still kind of choosing up, but this can still go up a little bit. Our price action can still kind of back out, backdoor up there, and then, we'd see this things just keep climbing, and it would just come up here to the 43. This is the range trading thing we're talking about. Range trading, no bueno, very bad, super sucky, takes a while. I have to listen to bulls be bullish again. Oh, it's so painful. Okay, like seriously, painful. Okay. So now let's take a look here, and this chart is done. So we've got a great deal on this chart of information. This is what, so there, great chart. And we'll put that baby right up there. There you go. Okay, so let's keep an eye on this right here because, right, the last thing we want to see on this is this indicator keep rising while the price is dropping or setting a new lower low. So if this swings back up, sets a new lower low, then it'll be an absolute shitstorm to the ground, right? To eventually we capitulate. But we don't want to do this sideways trading right here. Let's just get this freaking shit over. Bring me back up. Let's tap out up here in the 5-0 range, and then let's dump out hard, okay? Right? Actually, here we got to go a little higher, 618. So we want to go up to like the 618 area, a little below the 618. So between the 5-0 and 618, if you're using this one. But if you're going to do the other chart, you're going to want to go up to 4650 to 4900 is where I would love to see this go to have a final fallout, right? But if it does go out now, it just means that we're super fucked. In a good way, though, right? Super fucked in a good way, because it means we're going to get this over with, right? So that's really what we want to do. Let's start to go through our charts. Let's take a look at our notes. Do not trust this fall. Our notes, and do not trust this fall until it breaks 3777, 3777. Do not trust this fall until it breaks 37777. 7777. Do not, okay? Until this breaks, do not, because this is your double target here, your double top target. We showed that, right? There it is, double top, also on the 12-hour, right? Where's the 12? Double top right there, okay? Double top on the 12-hour, even double tops on the daily, right? I mean, this is actually in different charts, it shows this. This is ugly. This is not good. Falling out here, we don't want this, but we are going to go over and we're going to do a bunch of our daily candles. So we're going to go take a look at that in just a second. And we're going to squeeze this back out to the 4-hour. There we go. But like I said, don't get excited until we break the 3777 on trying to snap up any crazy longs right here, okay? Honestly, the best thing to do right now is, and this is complete financial advice for Adam. Adam, I would take your money. I would start trolling trailer parks. I would meet some nice girl, settle down, make some crazy trailer babies. And, you know, this is much more financially sound investment than playing Bitcoin in this range right here, okay? This is not a good place to be playing Bitcoin. You want to be playing Bitcoin on a breakout, right? And then a short. Or you want to be playing Bitcoin on a break of, really, I mean, breaking the lower low again. You got to get down here and break the lower low, right? These are the safe places to really start playing Bitcoin. We have gone into a trading range here. This is a trading range. See, now you got a top, you kind of got a bottom, which is right here. Your bottom is right down here, right? And we're just like this, boom, boom, bull ring. Remember we did this for like 3 months in the 6,000 to 6,700 range? Do you guys not just remember this is exactly what we did? Someone also mentioned to me, do you see an inverse head and shoulders that's kind of cooking over here? You kind of got one down, 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 back, right? A little bit. The problem is this shoulder right here terminates, kind of blows that out of the water. So it's really hard to get an inverted head and shoulders with this being this low. This would have needed to be higher. Then you would have had the head. This would have been a shoulder, head, shoulder, head, and then you would have taken off. So I don't see a real. Now, if you try to go larger, right, like shoulder, neck, right, head, shoulder, right, there's a little bit bigger one right here. You're just going to have to figure out where you'd want to put your, you know, your line in. So this is a kind of a bigger one. What I don't like is this double bottom here. This double bottom is a little more bullish to me than a head and shoulders would be right here. And look, you're just about to blow out the head and shoulders, because if you were looking at this as a head and shoulders, I mean, you kind of almost got that thing blown out anyways, right? What is bullish is the Bollinger Bands. The Bollinger Bands are freaking bullish on the weekly. That's bullish. The RSI oversold to ungodly levels is bullish, right? There's other things that are much more bullish for us than this, right? There's a lot more other things. Now, we did warn everybody about the double top, and then this is the double top target. In fact, eek, it's all the way down here. This is pretty ugly to get all the way down here, but this will not actually make a new lower low. You have to go deeper. All right, let's gonna cruise along here. Sorry, these charts probably have not been reloaded. What do I got here? Trying to roll over on our MACD. We see that on our other charts. Now, we did hit this level. This is the 2014 bounce level where we did bounce in 2014. This is the 2013 support in way down here, okay? What do we say? Yeah, there just hasn't been any price action. So what this chart shows is how far we retraced on the MACD right here. And it shows the total amount of price action that it moved, right? So we just retraced this whole area right here. And yeah, we've actually gone negative on the price right now. Right? We've actually gone negative because this was right there. So I think we've lost like 86 bucks or something. Yeah, so we've actually lost money on this thing right here. Moving on. Let's go. I'm trying to buzz through this stuff. So this was my chart. This was my chart for the orders. This is my chart that I have. This is it. We're going to move right along. So this shows you how I'm playing this. This shows you everything I'm doing to play this this bounce right here. Okay. We're going to go right along. What do we got? Oh, yes. God, stupid. Damn, stupid chart. Come on. Get over there. Get over there. Get over there. Get over there. There we go. All right. So let's take a look. This is our Myers multiple chart. So our Myers multiple chart is telling us that, look, down, up, down. Now this chart is delayed. This chart doesn't update for like 24 hours at a time. It's super crazy. I don't know why that it does this, but you know, there you are. I still think there's the purple box on the top. I'm still have this as a target, right? Don't know where we're at, but I still think if we retrace, we can retrace all the way back here. Our price action is actually a lot lower. You see this does not update for 24 hours sometimes. So like if this does fall out, you could possibly see, you know, a nice capitulation. We just bounced off that orange area. This is definitely going to be lower, looking like this right here, right? This is where we did find Baby Bull Jesus. There he is, almost on Christmas. We found Baby Bull Jesus January 14th, 2015, so close to Christmas. We are moving a little bit faster. Here is our NVT chart. You can see we just did a big retracement on the NVT chart. Here's Baby Bull Jesus. Here's the last time we were up in this range. We bounced off that support, bounced up, we hit the resistance, and then we bounced down. Now look at this. Then we bounced up again, and then we capitulated. So I'm not quite sure where we're at in here. I do know one thing, though. In order for Baby Bull Jesus to be found, right? In order for Baby Bull Jesus to be found, we have to be sub 51. So we got to be way down here, sub 51. This is historically, it's called every single bottom on the NVT chart. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for Baby Bull Jesus still down there, sub 51. Let's move along. Just got rejected again. Now, good news, right? Let me see here. Come on. All right, come on. All right, there we go. So the good news is we're still in these heavy candles right here, these heavy buying candles on the VPVR. So this is good. Shit doesn't get real until we break 36.24. Once we break 36.24, it gets real ugly, right? Real ugly. And you can see the top over here, right? This is a void. If we break over this 4,900, you've got running room. You got legs to 5,400, okay? This is your void right here. This is why I think we'll get stopped between 4,900 and, you know, whatever if you do the calculation, whatever the 382 is, right? I think this is where you've got a lot of heavy resistance up here. This is a nice little retrace. This is still a nice retrace. Look at this. Look at this. It's kind of doing the inverse, right? Came up, bounced down, all the way through, bounced back, and then took off, right? So we're kind of doing the inverse. Look at this. Came all the way down, tapped there, right? Retraced all the way. Look, came down, went up, retraced, and then kept going. Now, if this were flipped, this would be not freaking good, and this would put us all the way down to about the 3,000, 3,200 to 3,000 range, down to about the 200 MA, okay? So we're just going to have to keep an eye on that, but this is good. But now, remember, falling below, really getting below this 3,600 it just lines up these lower areas, just guarantees they're lined up. Right? And then if you go back to the charts, you'll see where my orders are, right? And that's, it's just gonna, just basically from here, it'll just, boom, right? I mean, you got your 200 MA is the only thing to save you down here until you get to 2,800. So that you got to be small prayers that we do get held on the 200 MA. I don't think it's gonna happen unless we just dive out right here. All right, there's our head and shoulders. Did fall out of our head and shoulders. Now we're all the way back down. This is my BitMEX chart. I haven't updated this thing in a long time, so just ignore it, right? There was my squiggles. I said down and then up and then down and up and then fallout. We did a little faster, right? Now, once again, don't trust this. Don't trust this chart. Go back to the updated charts, all right? We're going to cruise along. Right? Cruise along. I still want to go up. I still want to go up. Right? I still want to go up. I don't want to fall out right here. We'll get to Y in a second. Right? We're going to get to Y in a second. All right. RSI. Here's your RSI. And we rolled back over. We already saw that. Your ADX chart rolled over. Now you got your ADX chart over here kind of making up like a... Come on, update. I should have done this before the show. Sorry, guys. Weekly. Oh, this is good news, right? How long has Vamp been saying first quarter, right? How long have I been saying Baby Bull Jesus first quarter, right? I'm telling you guys, I have been saying Baby Bull Jesus between here and the first quarter of next year. Baby Bull Jesus is getting so close. He's getting so close. He's so cute. He's going to be fuzzy. He's going to be cute. I'm going to snuggle him. Now, watch out because we're getting down here. This could be that wick out that we're talking about. This crazy snapshot right back up. This could snapshot us right back up. We don't want this. We want to just get this shit over with now, right? But the last thing we want to do is snapshot up back to, we want to snap up and then crash back down is what we want to do. That's the best thing to happen right now. All right, gonna cruise along. Let's see what else we got here. Look, there's our resistance. We've had this resistance marked. We hit it. We've fallen out a little bit on this resistance, right? We've had this marked. You guys have all seen this. This is exactly what we called for, right? There it is. Right, and okay, so we hit this resistance right here. I told you guys over and over and over, you got to be very careful. This weighted moving average true strength index is very tricky. This thing loves to roll back over on us, and we came up right into our resistance level here, and you can see all these yellow boxes that go all the way along. They all love the roll. Look at that, tap there, tap right there, there, all the way across, and there. Just doesn't like this, right? If this baby rolls back over one more time, I don't know if we could find complete capitulation right here, but I think we might do some whoop-de-doos like this, and then eventually drop and find it, okay? So look, there's where Baby Bull Jesus was found, all the way back here. If you want to look on a super long scale chart, this is where Baby Bull Jesus was found. You had to run all the way back up, and then it finally died all the way back down. Look, we're at the bottom here. So this is totally different than 2014, 2015, and January 25th. We're completely different. January 25th, this is actually Baby Bull Jesus over here. This is Baby Bull Jesus. Sorry, guys. That's Baby Bull Jesus. So this is Baby Bull Jesus over here. All right, get over there. Boop. All right. That was the second bottom we had. So there you go. So look, we came down, we went deep, it retraced up a little bit, and then it crashed right back down. Kind of something I'm expecting this to do the same. Okay, historical volatility chart. Let's see what this baby's trying to tell us today. And it looks like, nope, nothing. Telling us nothing. This is not a real move. Otherwise, this thing will actually give us real movement. This will show us when it really takes off. And this little drop down here so far doesn't have any energy behind it in order to call this a true move or a bottoming. Okay, shorts to longs. Here's another issue we have. This is what I don't like. I don't like that our longs are this, our shorts are this high, right? I don't like that our shorts are this high. Our shorts are way too high. Even though our RSI is not oversold, I don't like this. I don't like this head and shoulders on the longs, though. Look at that head and shoulders on the longs RSI. That is not good, okay? That is very not good at all. But I do not like the longs to shorts ratio, even though we have a bull flag, right? So look, you've got a bullish flag over here. This is a bull flag on the shorts, right? So shorts RSI has a bull flag, right? Longs RSI has a H and S. Okay. Shorts are too damn high. Shorts are still too high. That's nothing that a little fall right now to like 3,600 couldn't fix. Little dump right now to 3,600. I think a lot of people would jump out of their shorts and take profit. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This is what you should be bullish on. How oversold the Stoke is, right? Historically oversold on the monthly, on Phoenix, and on Stamp. Like just ugly, 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 ugly all the way around here, right? I mean, we're just absolutely disgustingly, look, we're oversold down here on RSI on the monthly. We're just bottomed out on the previous historic support here on the monthly. Look what this did before. It kind of gave this little chick up, and then it took off, right? And look, if you go all the way back, this last little dip below the line right there, that was Baby Bull Jesus right back over here. Actually, no, I take it back. Baby Bull Jesus way back over here. I don't know why this Bitstamp chart doesn't go back there. 2014, 2015. Yeah, that's it. That's him. That's Baby Bull Jesus. Baby Bull Jesus right there. All right, so Baby Bull Jesus right there. So this is something to be bullish about. And then I'm going to kind of jump through. I don't think these are... What do we got here? More highline time frame. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Superly oversold like crazy. Need a fucking break. All right. And yep, ugly. If I get something not so ugly, I'll tell you about it. Ugly. Stoke high on this right here. This is your 12-hour Stoke. This is high. This is ugly. Right? The 12-hour Stoke right there is ugly. There's a lot of ugly right here. Okay, here's our Bollinger Bands. Okay, so check it out. We came back into the Bollinger Band, right? We're back up to the Bollinger Band right here. This is good. We closed an entire candle outside of the Bollinger Band, all right? So I want you to know, this literally has not happened. So I'm going to zoom in this baby right here. Look at that. We closed. This is a weekly time frame, people. Wow. Right? Wow. An entire candle closed completely outside of the Bollinger Band. All right? Look, it's hard to go back. You know what's funny? You know what really makes me laugh? Okay? This is what makes me giggle. All right? Look at how many times this closed above the Bollinger Band. Look at how many times. Can you even count? What's there? 10, 15, 10, you know, another 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, like 37, like 30 times this closed above the Bollinger Bands, right? We closed one time right here and everybody's calling for a bottom, right? Now, I just throwing it out there. We have never, ever, ever in the entire bearish run closed one time out below there. Now, this is very bullish to do this, to close all the way outside of it. I mean, the only one you can kind of get is this final candle right here, right? This final candle right here. But this is also why I would like to see pull us up just a little bit into this baby, get us back in here, because what's going to happen is this next candle, the next week, this line is going to just plummet all the way down. It'll give us a lot more room because this is just going to keep opening up. Right? This is just going to keep getting wider, just as this did. See, as this broke wider, it broke on the top, it just opens it wider. Broke on the top, opens it wider, right? Every time it breaks on the top, it just keeps making this wider and wider and wider until this was just so insane here. It was like, all right, that's enough. And then we finally retraced, right? During all the way back here on the bearish side, look, we 1, 2, pulled all the way back into the tap, the trend line, the median trend line, fell out again, right? This is where baby bull Jesus was found right there, and then went all the way back up to the median line again. All right, so look at that. There's a outside 100% candle right there. Okay, see if we can go back. Oh, Jesus, there's a lot of them right there. Like every one of these I would count as outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pretty much I count every one of these. 8. Those are all outside. 9. There's a lot of them. Right? Actually, there's a lot that closed outside here. Right? I mean, that one closed outside. And then you got a nice retrace. All right. So you guys get the point, right? You guys get the point. You have the very first candle that closed outside. I do think this is bullish, right? This is the only bull sign that I really, really like, besides the RSI and like the monthly being insanely just crazy oversold, right? I like this as more of a bullish sign, even though when I look at this candle right here, I look at this candle as an inside bar candle, right? This is definitely an inside bar candle. Pupa says, well, what if we get nine reds in a row outside? Then none of us are trading crypto anymore. If we get 9 reds outside, we're going to be all the way down at 1,300. We'll literally be at 1,300. If that were to happen, we will completely end up at 1,300. All right, so let's move along. And kind of my plays, right? Still my plays. Here's all the same stuff. I've been up here forever. You guys know what my plays are, right? I'm playing this bounce right here. I'm probably going to get smashed out of this. I'm going to have a huge sad face if I get smashed out of this trade. I actually had 9,500 in BTC. I've been stacking it from 36 to 37 to play this bounce. This is why I was hoping this bounce would get a little higher. I was going to liquidate it out up here for $1,000 gain on it. It would be an easy, very low risk $3,000 I could have made just scooping this up down here, hoping we got up here so I could pick it up and dump it right on somebody up here in 46, 4,800 range. That was what my hopes and my dreams were. We'll see if that still happens, though. Okay, I got big sad face right now. Come on, pull back, go up. All right. And I think we're getting almost to the end here. Yep, there we go. This is the last chart. Yeah, same thing. Nothing's changed. We're below the trend line now. We're below this trend line. Let me change this trend line's color to light blue. Yeah, 60, 40, there's my 3. We still get a little higher. There's your 128. This is the weekly chart. I'll take this all day long. I'm telling you, I will. Let's just see what we got here. There's your 30 MA. Your 30 MA right there is parked at 4,700. So there's, you got your 4,700 right there on your monthly. And then on your weekly, you've got your 4730 with your 128 day. So pretty good range. Now there's the death cross right there. Now with the death cross, we already talked about that in the very first thing. I don't think we will touch the death cross again. I don't think we will touch this 7MA until we are finally out of this, until we're going to finally start bouncing out of this area. Okay. So that's pretty much it. That's all I got for today. I just wanted to sit and chat with you all and just let you guys know this is really where the rubber hits the road right here. Okay, we got two options: up and down, or squiggling around and then capitulate. Okay, I please will take option. Man, I really would like to see this as stage 1 looking to still start stage 2. But, I mean, this could be stage 2 looking for stage 3. I just don't know. All right? I'm trying to keep the show short so you guys don't have to watch a whole huge mess. And I would like to say please, 230 absolutely lovely people watching the show right now. 230 absolutely amazing people. Please hit that share button. I don't care about the likes. Screw the likes. I don't even need these damn likes. Give me all the dislikes you want. I don't even care. All I care about is you helping me save one trader today. That's it. One trader, people. One person out there. That's all I care about. Help me save one single trader today. All right? For the Vamp, and I said until 1 mil, I am out.